Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your phone. So if you see dragging layer problem on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to switch cellular data. If you're using cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just open shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just go to App Store, just write here Instagram, and if you see here update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.